Hey folks, today we're going to work on the embellishments for the Love Letters album. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and share this video. And if you have any questions or comments, just put them down in the comments section down below. Today is my first day filming back from about a 6-week break. I took that break to work on the channel a little bit, planned the next couple of projects, and I added a couple of basic options to my album supply kit. One of those options is art glitter glue. I've been seeing this a lot on a lot of other crafter channels, and I thought I'd give it a try. So far, I played with it a little bit. So far, I like it quite a bit. And I have also added black cardstock. All of my videos posted so far had white cardstock, and I decided I wanted to play with black cardstock. This collection is from Echo Park, and it's called the Be Mine Collection Kit. And one of the things I like about this kit is that it's got so many different intensity, so many different saturation levels in its patterns that it's easy to make a visually interesting page. And another thing that I like about this collection, and I don't know if Echo Park does this with all of their collections, but this is the collection like cover sheet, which you could definitely cut all of this apart because the paperweight for the collection cover sheet is the same, and it doesn't have like any coating on it or anything. On the back is a cut apart sheet. So that's pretty cool. Today we're working on the embellishments for this album, and the embellishments we're going to do some flowers, and I'm probably going to die cut some arrows and some hearts. In fact, we're probably going to make a shaker with those hearts and postage stamps, because the theme of the album is love letters. And also bows, and I don't have my bow punch. Let me grab that. Probably gonna do some bows. And tags. We're probably gonna do some tags and the sticker sheet. We'll probably take, I've already decided this is gonna be the album name plate thing that goes on the cover. But we'll probably take some of the elements on the sticker sheet and cover them with the powder tool and make them not sticky, just embellishments. So let's get started. most of the embellishments done. Before I put the die cutting platform away, I want to go ahead and cut the heart shapes that I'm going to use for a couple of shaker elements in the album. I'm going to have 4 or 5 shaker elements in total. I know at least one of them I'm going to be able to construct during the process of creating that page, but for some of the smaller shaker elements, I'm going to go ahead and put those together right now so that I don't have to worry about that while I'm putting the page together. So I'm going to use this die set I got in a card making magazine several years ago. But this heart is 2 inches across, and that is the perfect size. So I'm going to take this one and the one that fits right inside, and I'm going to die cut 2 hearts out of this, and then I'm going to cut the heart out of the center of 2 of those, and then I'm just going to cut 2 that are just with this heart-shaped die. And I'm also going to go ahead, I have a shaker frame element that's going to go on the spine. I'm going to go ahead and put that together also. set of embellishments. I'm going to create some envelopes using some of the scraps left over from cutting the mats for the album. I've got a couple of pieces here. These are 4x4. This one is 3.5 by 3.5. These two are 3x3, and this one is 2.5 by 2.5. So we're going to make a couple of different size envelopes. We're going to use a corner rounder. We're going to use a corner rounder, and if you have the envelope punch board, that's perfect. I don't have that tool, but I do have this, which allows you to align different envelope sizes over here and then score and cut. So that's what I'm going to do.